Alright guys, this is 2017 Toyota RAV4. Customer came in requesting to replace the battery. And the battery is dated 2021. So yeah, I think this one is going out. So yeah, let's go ahead and replace it. We got 10mm. Remove the negative cable first. And this one is loose, but it's pretty tight. It's in there, but it's loose. Oh well, we recommend a diagnosis, but the customer declined it. So yeah, just go ahead and replace it then. There is some rat poop here all over the place. Okay. Be careful not to touch both ends. I'm gonna use this tool to pick it up. And this one has a handle. Here is the new battery. It's gonna go this way. And don't forget this. Do you guys know what this thing does? If you guys need to find out, comment down below. There we go. Install this one by hooking up down there. There we go. And put this guy in. Uh-oh. Why it's so short right now? Is this battery's way taller? Oh. Maybe hook it up right there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Then install the positive cable. Okay. Where are you, negative? It's right here. Okay. Sweet. Cool. All right, now let's go ahead. If this system has, oops, what happened there? Don't know what happened there, but it's rebooting right now. Let's see if this one's still auto. Yep. Mirror is still auto up and auto down. We're good over there. Let's see if the time's still correct. Right now it's 11:44. Okay. Hey, yeah, you are Toyota. All right. Nope, it is 4. So we have to go ahead and set the time. Display? Nah, we're not going there. General. Clock, it's right there. It is. How the heck are we gonna adjust this thing? No, we're not gonna do. Oh, there we go. So what time is it? It is 11:47 now. AM. $11. $47. I put 48. So 47. 47. All right. So it is 11:47. So there we go. How about the music? Audio. FM. There we go. It's saved. We got 104.7. 98.1. All right, that's your customer station. All you have to do is adjust your time and you're good to go. All right, thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.